Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about 7 tallest statues in the world. Number 7. Great Buddha of Thailand. It is tallest statue in Thailand and 7th tallest in the world. It is the statue of Lord Buddha. Its height is 92 meters and it is situated in Ang Thong, Thailand. Number 6. Qianshou, Qianyan, guanyin of weishan. It is 4th tallest statue in China and 6th on the earth. It is 99 meters high and situated in Weishan, Qianshou, Yunnan, China. Number 5. Sendai daikanon. Sendai daikanon is the 5th tallest statue of the world. It is the grand statue of goddess of Japan. Its height is 100 meters and it is situated in Sendai, Japan. Number 4. Ushiku daibotsu. It was constructed in 1993. This is the statue of Lord Buddha. It is 100 meters high and situated in Ushiku, Japan. Number 3. Laykyun sekkya. It is among the world's tallest statues. It is a grand structure of Gautam Buddha. Its height is 116 meters and it is situated in Myanmar. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha. Spring Temple is the 2nd tallest statue in the world and it is the statue of Lord Buddha. Its height is 128 meters and it is situated in Lushan County, Henan, China. Number 1. Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is the tallest statue of the world. Its height is 182 meters and it is situated in Narmada district, Gujarat, India. It is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.